guys, welcome back to my channel What's Happening. I'm Abhishek Mohan and now let's check the top things that happened today in our world. Number 1. Supreme Court tells RBI and sender to change their response. An affidavit relating to the waiving of interest compound on loans in the moratorium period was submitted by the sender to the Supreme Court last week. According to the Supreme Court, the affidavit does not deal with many problems which is issued by many petitioners. Thus, the Supreme Court has asked the center and RBI to send a revised report on October 13th. The SC also said that the affidavit which was submitted before by the government did not even specify the steps which are taken for the implementation of their own policy. The next hearing will take place on October 13th. Moving on to number 2, RACE 2020 Global Summit. PM Narendra Modi addressed RACE 2020 Summit on Monday. Now of course the question is, what is RACE? RACE refers to Responsible AI for Social Empowerment. It is a global virtual summit on artificial intelligence organized by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and Niti Aayog. It is scheduled to take place from October 5th to October 9th. PM Modi said that India is trying to become a global hub for artificial intelligence. He also commented that human emotions and creativity are humans' greatest strength. This is what makes us different from machines. Oh, for the first time I heard PM Modi saying something sensible. At number 3, President of Azerbaijan has put some conditions to end the war. The war between Armenia and Azerbaijan continued for the 10th day. Both the countries have rejected the international community's appeal to end the war. The major reason for war between both the countries is Nagorno-Karabakh region. Azerbaijan claimed that the region belongs to them, but it is now occupied by Armenian forces. Although this is not the first time a war has broken down between both the countries. A bloody war which claimed 200 lives took place in 2016 between both the countries. Azerbaijan president have now said that the only way the war is going to be over is if Armenian forces withdraw themselves from the region and they apologize for what they have done till now, which is not likely to happen. Moving on to number 4, cheap solution for Delhi's winter air crisis. The major reason for heavy smoke that hangs in the air after October is stubble burning. Stubble is the leftover of cereal plant after harvesting. After the harvesting season, all the stubble is burnt to clear the ground for next season. Most of the smoke resulting from this comes from Punjab and Haryana. Stubble burning has already started in many areas and Delhi's air quality is already poor. With coronavirus which affects the lungs, people in Delhi will be more vulnerable during the polluted air in winters in Delhi. A solution for stubble burning has been found by the scientists now. It is a liquid which converts the stubbles into manure for the fields. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has made sure that this method will be implemented in every agricultural field in Delhi. He has also requested the neighbouring states to do the same. At number 5, let's check some COVID-19 stats. The worldwide COVID-19 cases are standing at 35.8 million, with US on top with 7.53 million cases, followed by India at 6.71 million cases. 72,049 new cases and 986 deaths were reported in India in the past 24 hours. That's it guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Take care.